Have you ever noticed how most kitchens follow a similar layout? The sink, the stove, the refrigerator, often placed in a loose triangle. It feels natural, almost unplanned. But this layout is not random. It's known as the kitchen work triangle, and it was designed to make movement more efficient. In any kitchen, these three areas are used the most. You take ingredients from the fridge. You prepare them at the sink. You cook them on the stove. By placing these points within close reach, the kitchen reduces unnecessary steps. Instead of walking back and forth across the room, movement becomes shorter and more direct. This makes cooking feel smoother. Less effort, less interruption. But there is also a deeper design principle at work. The triangle creates flow. Each point connects to the other, so tasks move in a natural sequence. This reduces friction, and when friction is reduced, actions feel easier to perform. There is also a psychological effect. When a space feels easy to move through, it feels more comfortable to use. You don't have to think about where to go next. Your body simply follows the layout. This is an example of invisible design. The system guides behaviour without needing instructions. But there are also limits. If the triangle is too large, movement becomes tiring. If it's too small, the space feels cramped. So designers aim for balance, enough distance for comfort, but close enough for efficiency. Over time, this layout became standard, not because people noticed it, but because it works. Kitchens are not just designed for appearance, they are designed to support how we move, act, and use the space. Because sometimes what feels natural is simply the result of careful design.